Listing on eBay, a Mercedes Sprinter long wheelbase high top camper van. It's a 2015. It's 2.2 CDI engine, do 313, 130, 140 bhp. Opening side window there, rear side windows for the seating bed area. Tyres all good. Bodywork excellent. I can vouch for this van, it's a friend of mine. And it's been really well looked after, good service history, drives absolutely perfect. A few little bits and pieces. It's got the 7-speed automatic gearbox, changes absolutely perfectly, and that's been serviced recently as well. So just to walk around the outside first. Same again this side, no issues, just a little bit of minor wear and tear. Actually in really good condition for a 2015 Sprinter. Again, 165,000 miles. Well serviced, well looked after. It's got the Fiamma F80S awning there. Very tidy, even down to sort of bumper care and stuff like that. Really nice. From the side door there, you've got a nice illuminated handle. That's good at night. Diesel heater fitted at the bottom here. You've got the controller there, nice Mercedes sign. The seating area there, underneath the seating area here that claps to a bed. 2-3 berth, kids, whichever way you want to look at that. Under storage water there, and a safe under this part. Obviously the table drops down, that goes to bedding, and the controller here is for the fan. Here you've got obviously the side opener window there, curtains, 4 large upper storage cupboards there, and a good size, good deep cupboards, lighting underneath. Seating area here that goes into the bed that's been made up, vents on the side windows there, upper storage, large roof vents, and a TV. Very nice. And a lighting switch to my right over here. Upper light there. And the seating setup on this is the usual L shape there. Large cupboard here. And same again this side. Opening window, curtains. On the bed it goes actually into 2 singles or a double. And the TV is a smart TV with full Wi-Fi. Skylight illuminates. Large wardrobe here, good quality panel there for the electrics internal. Good size upper storage there, sink, cold water. Large upper storage, lower for a portaloo. There's a new portaloo in there. Microwave and a fridge. This is the control for the diesel heater. You've got the two double 240 sockets there, a lower lighting there.
Makes a big difference when being individually switched.
And all of these are individually switched. Yeah. LED on the kitchen area there, and here, every single one of them, all individually done. The build on this is excellent, the wiring, everything is really well done. And in the back here, it's all carpeted. You've got your sections there for your awning, storage here, left and right. All of this is included in the sale. Chair, all brand new. Here, you've got a 225 gel leisure battery AGM. You get your 240 coming in there, split charge relay, excellent quality 240 12 volts battery charger. There's your main fuse board there, Wi-Fi control, Wi-Fi extension booster there, and a pure sine wave 1500 watt power inverter. It's all been, as you can see, it's all been correctly done. That's a excellent setup. A little bit of storage under there. You've also got two good strong LED spotlights on the top there as well. At the bottom there you've got a section that opens for longer items under there. Going into the cab, absolutely nothing to report here. Lovely condition, tiny little mark on the seat there. Two good seats. You get your armrests. Seat running here. Absolutely spot on. There's also a reversing camera. Outside step there. So yeah, 7-speed auto. That's fantastic in a camper van, that. And that's also been serviced 100% mechanically, as you'd expect with the mileage. With a Sprinter, perfect. So that's it. It's for sale on eBay at the moment. You can contact the seller, a friend of mine, Jimmy. And again, this is 100%. The build is excellent. Everything is done absolutely perfectly. No rust for a Sprinter. Just all the few little bits here. That will all be really easy to sort. Again, totally transparent with what's going on. Reversing camera there. Really nice bits of livery. So, if you're after a good sized camper van for less than 25, that is it. Thanks for watching.